about it, but I couldn't explain it. So dietary fibers or roughage, that is also very important, and we should include that also in our food. Okay. These dietary fibers we will get mainly from plant products. Okay, plant products. Yes, yes. Who wants to
talk a bit louder?
Okay, should I talk? Should I speak louder? Okay, I will do it. See, is my voice is not louder?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I will try my level best. Okay. So, dietary fiber, it is an essential component of our food, which helps our body to get rid of undigested food. It will help in the movement of undigested food. Means dietary fibers mean fibers which are in the food substances. Okay, we have to choose the food items which are rich in fiber. For example, corn, then cauliflower, these two are rich in fiber. Not only these two, whole grains. The whole grains all contain rich fibers. Then pulses. You know pulses, different types of pulses that also contain.
Dal.
Okay, dal. Different types of dals are there. So these all contain fibers. You know these grains and pulses also contain proteins, carbohydrates, right? Please, Harriet, please mute your audio. Please. Okay. If you are moving your device, please mute it and do, so that it won't distract, it won't make any distraction to our class. Okay. So these dietary fibers, corn and cauliflower are good sources of fibers. Okay. So we have to include these all things. Not only this one, whole grains. Whole grains means rice, wheat, maize, so many things are there. These all are. Then pulses, then potatoes, sweet potato, then fresh fruits and vegetables. Okay, when you are using fruits, don't use it as in the juice form. It is better to take it as in the raw form. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
When we are making
ma'am.
fruits into juices,
Yes, ma'am.
we will strain these fibers, right? Using a strainer, we will filter out the fibers from it. We will use only the liquid from that fruits. So, when we use that liquid form, we will lose that fiber. If we are eating the apples, pineapples, these all fruits in the raw form, the fibers which contained in them, that also will get into our body, and these fibers won't get digested. Okay, they will become as undigested food, and they will help in the movement of the waste from our body. Thus, it prevents constipation. Understood? Constipation, if we are not using any fibers in our diet, and if we are not using water properly, if we are not intaking water properly, that all leads to constipation. That is a very difficult situation. Okay. So, everybody, please mute your audio. Everybody, I am requesting. Okay. See, I know it is the evening time, but we have to complete our portions, right? So, please mute it and listen. These dietary fibers or roughage, these are very essential for our health. Okay, they will help in the digestion of food and also prevent constipation. I will show one picture that can, which all food items contain this dietary fibers. Okay, so when I am sharing the board, you all should keep it muted. Okay, don't unmute it. If you have to say something, you can tell me. Okay. Okay, I think you can see the board now, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
These all things we discussed in the last class. So
Ma'am.
today, dietary fibers or roughage. Can you see it on the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I will
Yes,
call.
ma'am.
I want to call Emil to read the heading. Emil, are you ready to read the heading? Emil,
Yes, ma'am.
okay. Can you read the heading of this one?
Ma'am, like dietary fibers,
Okay, dietary fibers. Another name of it is
roughage.
roughage. Roughage. Say rough book. You know rough book, right? Spelling.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Likewise, rough plus age. Rough plus age is roughage. Okay, it is the another name. See, I will call some other one. Siana Fatima. Siana.
Yes.
Okay. Can you read the definition of the dietary fibers from the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
It
Can
is
you please?
it is an essential component of
Essential. It is an essential component of.
our food, which helps our body to get rid of undigested food.
Okay, undigested food. It is an essential component of our food which helps our body to get rid of undigested food. Okay, as the fibers, they will help in the movement of the undigested food and to remove from our body. This roughage we mainly provided by plant products. This roughage we get mainly from the plant products. We can see which all food items contain this roughage. Okay. See, I will call Atul. Atul, please unmute Atul.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see some pictures there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you read out which all food items contain this roughage?
Pulses,
Okay, pulses are there.
fresh fruits,
Fresh fruits,
whole grains.
whole grains, different grains, right? Okay.
Yes,
Who is
ma'am.
1 minute? Who is drawing? Anybody is drawing? Are you doing some experiments on my board? See what all? I will write it. Okay. Stop it, please. Okay. Continue. Atul. Continue.
Vegetables,
Okay. Vegetables.
potato,
Potato. Okay, these are along with it, you can use corn and cauliflower also. Okay, corn and cauliflower also. Cauliflower. So these two are very much rich in this roughage. So next time, sorry, please anybody wants to talk to me?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so this next time when you see cauliflower or corn or any of these items, don't say no to it. Okay, you have to include these all things. Will you do it?
like. Yes, ma'am.
You all like it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. It is my favorite vegetable.
Okay, good. Okay, so these are the food items which can prevent constipation. Constipation is very dangerous. Okay, if the undigested food, waste matter is not removed from our body, that itself will become poison to our health. Okay, so every day you have to remove these old waste. For that, you have to include any of these food items. See, this year you are learning everything which we can practice in our daily life. Understood? See, the first chapter is about the food, right? That also we have to practice. And here in the second chapter, we can choose the food items which can make us healthy. So much information you are getting now, right? From this chapter. So
Yes,
it is
ma'am.
all
Yes, ma'am.
helpful also. In this, it is all very helpful for us also. Please mute it. And If you can practice these all things, you can stay healthy, right? In this pandemic time, we can stay healthy by using this, by keeping all these things. So share this information with your parents, with your relatives, and you also can join to prepare food items for your diet by keeping these all things. Will you do it? Will you do it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
You have enough time.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So, dietary fibers or roughages. Okay, Stravana,
Yes, ma'am.
so, what it is helping us to prevent constipation? What helps in our food to prevent constipation? Constipation, or what it helps to get rid of undigested food from our body?
Ma'am, fiber.
Fibers, dietary fibers, or we can call them Stravana.
Okay.
Okay, now are you remembering about it? Dietary fibers or roughage.
Roughage.
Okay, dietary fibers or roughage. It helps to get rid of undigested food from our body. Undigested food means that can prevent constipation. Okay, so Nihal Mustafa, are you lying down? Okay, can you tell me? Please unmute. Nihal Mustafa, please unmute first. Nihal is not. Aaron Anthony. Okay, can you tell me food items that contain roughage?
Ma'am,
Yes. Yes.
vegetables,
Vegetables, okay.
pulses,
Okay. Which are rich in fibers.
ma'am, corn,
Yeah, very good.
cauliflower,
Okay, corn, cauliflower.
cauliflower,
Good, very good, very good. Aaron, very good. Okay, these two are the good sources of roughage. All others also we checked it, right? Okay, so along with the nutrients, we need dietary fibers in our food. And another one important thing, can you tell me what we should include in our food? Nutrients, 5 type of nutrients. Then we talked about roughage or dietary fibers. Then one more thing is there.
Water.
Yes, that is the water. Okay. So, how does water help our body? Can anybody tell about it? In the lower classes onwards, you are learning about it, right? Can you?
Ma'am, water helps the body to.
Ananya. Okay, Ananya, please tell me. Ananya.
Ma'am, water helps the body to get minerals.
Okay, water helps us to get minerals. Okay, then any other suggestion? Okay, Geetika.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
it also helps throwing out some wastes from our body as urine and sweat.
Very good, very good. It helps in the excretion, right? Throwing out waste from our body. That process is called excretion. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So it helps in
Yes,
the
ma'am.
digestion and in the excretion of waste. Understood? So water helps our body to absorb nutrients from food. That means in the digestion, and also helps in throwing out some waste from our body as urine and sweat. That we can call it as excretion. Okay, so important function of water. Important function of water is helps in excretion and also in digestion. Got it?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So,
Yes, ma'am.
yes. So you know about digestion. You know about excretion. Okay, so in these two words you can explain the whole process. Got it? Water helps our body in digestion and in excretion. Got it? Is there any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
So first point, water helps. Nihal Mustafa, please mute your audio. Water helps in our excretion and also in digestion of food. Got it? First step, first main function. Second one, water. Let me ask, is there any other functions you know? Those know the answer, please raise your hand. Is there, you know
And we
about?
need-
Yes, yes.
And we need
Hydration.
water for
Hydration.
a balanced diet.
Okay, we need water for, yes, why we need water for our balance, as a balanced diet? That
And
is
for
my first
digestion.
thing. Digestion and excretion, I told you.
And
Is
for a
there-
healthy body.
Okay, healthy body is there. Any other reason? Another function of water?
Hydration helps the body to absorb nutrients.
Sorry, sorry.
And we need water to make
One by
our body
one.
work.
One by one. Vinayak, please tell me.
Ma'am, water carries nutrients to and oxygen to all the cells in the body.
Okay, water carries oxygen, water carries minerals. Okay, see, water helps in blood circulation. Maybe you are mentioning that one, right? Water helps in blood circulation. That is the second point. Okay, so water helps in digestion and in excretion. See, please note, water helps in digestion and in excretion. Then water helps in blood circulation. Blood circulation. And another one, water also keeps our body cool through sweating. When we sweat, our body temperature will come down. Okay, it is one of the method of natural method of our body to cool down, sweating. When we sweat, what will happen? Our body will take heat from our body to get it into water vapor. Understood? Water will become water vapor when we sweat. How it happens? Our body takes heat from there to make it into water vapor. As the body takes heat from it, what will happen? Our body temperature will come down. Okay, so sweating is one of the natural method to control the body temperature. Okay, understood? Is it clear, my dear students?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Four main important functions we learned today. Okay, important functions, or how does water help our body? Four important functions are there. Okay, so I will call one by one those students only to unmute and to take. Are you ready? Should I explain once again?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No,
I think once again I will explain about that four functions. Okay, please listen. Water helps our body in digestion and in excretion. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Ananda Krishnan, sit properly. It helps in digestion and in excretion. And another one, second point, water helps in blood circulation. Water helps in our blood circulation.
Circulation.
Okay, blood circulation. Third one, water also keeps our body cool through sweating. It regulates the body temperature. Okay, water also keeps our body cool through sweating. These are the important functions of water.
Ma'am, can you tell the first function
Yes.
once more?
Okay, Vrisa. Okay, tell me. first function of water. Yes,
No, ma'am, I'm asking, can you repeat it once more?
yes,
Because
okay,
it was
okay.
not clear.
Okay, I will repeat it. Okay. Water helps in digestion and excretion. Is it clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Digestion means you learn about digestion and excretion in the lower classes. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Should I explain about digestion?
No,
No
ma'am.
need, ma'am.
Okay. Yes. Who is saying yes? Who wants it? I will do it. If you want, I will do it. Okay. Let me see. Anybody wants to explain me about digestion?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Right? Absorb nutrients from our food. That is called digestion, right? And another one, excretion. It is the process of removal of waste from our body. This water helps in the removal of waste from our body. So we can say it, water helps in digestion and in excretion. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
I
ma'am.
hope,
Ma'am.
I hope now, Vrisa, it is clear to
Yes,
you,
ma'am.
right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And the second one helps in blood circulation. Blood circulation. Third one, keep our body cool through sweating. Keep our body cool through sweating. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So, I will call one by one. First, Arjun. Unmute yourself, Arjun. Okay, Arjun. Can you tell me about the functions of water in our body? Anyone?
Water helps in digestion and excretion.
Okay, very good. Digestion and in excretion. Okay. And Sri Rudra.
Ma'am.
Second one, Sri Rudra. Second one. Any other function?
Ma'am,
Yes. Not remembering.
blood.
Blood circulation. Helps in blood circulation. Okay. Blood circulation. Mute it now. It helps in blood circulation. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And third one, who can say it? Just raise
Ma'am,
your
can I
hand.
say, ma'am?
Can I
Francis.
Ma'am, can I say?
Francis, give me that.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, the water cool the body by sweating.
Okay, it also keep our body cool through sweat. Okay, I think it is clear. I will send notes regarding this one. Okay, so from that you can, I will give some questions also based on it. You can write it. Okay. Now, normally how we get water for in our body? How we get water normally?
By drink.
By drinking.
Okay, by drinking water, by drinking some liquids such as milk. Sorry, please mute it. Sanika, please mute it. Okay. By drinking water, otherwise by drinking juices, milk, tea, this all, right? And in addition to this, we add water to most of the cooked food. We are adding it, right?
Yes,
we are
ma'am.
adding food for cooking while we cook the food. Smriti, what you are doing? Smriti. So, we will add water to the food substances while we cook them, right? And is this all are the ways by which we get water in our body? Okay. Is there any other ways to get water in our body? You just think, is there any other methods to get water?
Ma'am, from vegetables and fruits.
Okay, very good. From vegetables and fruits. Freshly, when we cut, peel or grated these fresh fruits or vegetables, are you helping your mother or parents in the kitchen?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You all are good students, so you are very helpful for your parents, right? Okay. So when you are preparing food, maybe your parents will tell you to cut tomatoes. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, tomatoes or some other fresh vegetables or fruits also sometimes, right?
Yes, ma'am.
When you cut or peel or when you are grating these all carrots and all, then you have to grate it, right? So when you are doing this all, what you can see?
Ma'am, the juice.
Water,
Okay.
juice.
Yeah, it is juicy, right? They are all juicy. They contain water in it, right? So if we are eating that fresh fruits and vegetables, what will get into our body? What we will get into?
Water.
Water and also fibers. Water and also fibers. Got it? So both these things are very important for our body. Got it? And see, while we cook, we will add some food, water also to cook it, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Cooking vegetables or fruits or boiling, yeah, rice, whatever it is. When we use these all, we will use some water also to cook it. By this all ways, our body will get water. Okay? So, in this class, it is time, now it is that time to end my session. Don't leave, just listen. So what we learned in this first period? What we learned in this first period?
Ma'am, we learned about
Dietary fibers and water.
Dietary fibers and water.
I will call Altina. Altina.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you tell me what all things we learned in this period?
Ma'am, about dietary fibers and water.
Okay, about dietary fibers and about the
Water.
importance of water. Okay, how does water help our body? Right?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
Yes. How does water help our body?
Body.
So these two concepts that we discussed in this period. So I think now it is the time to wind up the first period. Don't go anywhere. Just leave the meeting. I will again add you. Okay? Okay.
Okay,
So
ma'am.
just
Thank you, ma'am.
going to end
Thank
my
you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.